for free. Grow like weed. Did you know most people hit backspace thousands of times a year? Just to delete one letter at a time? It's like trying to chop down a tree with a teaspoon. So, are you still deleting one letter at a time like it's a Morse code? Most users still don't know the hidden powers baked into their system. Tabs lost forever. Clipboard history gone. Whole words deleted like you are chiseling stone. Shortcut number 1. Windows plus V. Clipboard history. Copy something, then copy something else, and boom, the first one's gone forever. Unless you press Windows plus V. This shortcut opens your clipboard history like it's a secret vault. Yes, it's been there the whole time. To open clipboard history, just press Windows plus V. Now I can pick anything I copied before, not just the last sentence. Shortcut number 2, Ctrl plus T. Open new tab. Need a fresh tab? Ctrl plus T, open one instantly. No mouse, no delay, just pure tab summoning. Open new tab, just press Ctrl plus T. And here you go. Shortcut number 3, Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Reopen closed tab. Accidentally closed a browser tab. Ctrl plus Shift plus T brings it back like necromancy. Works in Chrome, Edge, Firefox, basically everywhere. Except your X is hard. To test this shortcut, let's just close this tab I prepared before. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to reopen it. Really works like magic. Shortcut number 4, Ctrl plus Backspace. Deletes whole word. Stop deleting one letter at a time. Ctrl plus Backspace erases entire word. It's like holding a lightsaber instead of butter knife. First, let's delete this backspace with backspace to show you the contrast. With Ctrl plus backspace, it looks like this. It's real magic. Shortcut number 5, Windows plus L. Lock your PC. Leaving your desk, Windows plus L locks your computer instantly. Because your files deserve privacy and your cat doesn't need access to your spreadsheets. To lock your computer, just press Windows plus L. Here you got summary of all Gold series shortcuts. So take your time and learn something new again. Subscribe for Diamond series is coming. Leave a comment with your favorite shortcut or the moment you felt like legend. Thank you for watching.